Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and use reminders, helping you stay on top of your follow-ups, meetings, and important schedules, all within your CRM. Reminders in Office 24 by 7 can be configured on any field of type date, and time, or time. This means you can create reminders across multiple modules, whether it's leads, deals, contacts, or any other object that includes these field types. Let's look at an example. Go to the Leads panel and locate a date type field. For example, Next Follow-up Date. Click on the ellipsis icon, 3 dots beside this column. You'll see an option named Reminders. Click on it. This opens an overlay window where you can configure and set up your reminder. Let's set it up step by step. First, enter a reminder name. Let's call it Follow-up Reminder. Next, choose the style. This determines how the reminder will appear visually. You can select Cell, applies color to the specific cell, Row, highlights the entire row, or Text, changes the text color. Then choose your preferred color for easy identification. For example, we'll select Cell and color it blue. If you'd like to receive a notification for this reminder, check the notification box. This ensures that you'll not only see the color change in your panel, but also get an in-app notification alerting you about the follow-up. Next, enter your reminder text. This is the message that appears in the notification for the assigned user. You can also use attributes to personalize and make your reminder more descriptive. Attributes make your reminders more meaningful. Let's add some attributes to personalize our message. For example, hi, select the attribute Assigned User. Please follow up on the lead with the ID. Select the attribute Lead ID, Lead Name. Then select the attribute First Name, and for the scheduled follow-up date, select the attribute Next Follow-up Date. Here we'll include the attributes Assigned User, Lead ID, Lead Name, Next Follow-up Date. These details will appear in your reminder notification, giving you a clear and concise summary of what the reminder is about. Next, set the wait time. This defines when the reminder will trigger. You can configure it to trigger before or after the specified date using days, hours, or minutes. In this example, we'll select before 1 day, meaning the reminder will trigger before 1 day for the next follow-up date. Once all details are entered, click Submit to save your reminder. All configured reminders appear in a table view below the Setup section. This gives you complete visibility of all your active reminders in one convenient place. Now, return to the Leads panel. You'll notice that the lead records due for follow-up after 1 day are highlighted according to the style and color you chose. You'll also receive an in-app notification showing the reminder details and attributes for quick reference. If you've missed any reminders, don't worry. Click the Alerts icon at the top right corner and select Reminders. Here, you'll see a list of all reminders received by the user. You can perform quick actions like Mark as Read, Mark as Unread, delete reminders that are no longer needed. You can also use the View option to see the configured reminder details for the user. And that's it! You've just learned how to configure, view, and manage reminders in Office 24 by 7. This powerful feature ensures timely follow-ups, organized schedules, and efficient workflows, helping you never miss an important task again. Thank you for watching. Start using reminders today and make your CRM work smarter for you.